Police and a body. No time. Cause the girl them they like to overbling and them would have put you up in the ranking. It's a piece of shit. Police if you pad and not pussy. If you shit and only called batty wall. Nobody like you police more than me eating a blood clot. Me say a man who me can't stand. Me make sure my block here for my page, you know. I say the next time I go up on the for you and book up your other page on my phone, me make sure me have, I don't like, nobody likes you police more than Blinger. And I don't see what Blinger seen at you. Cause you come from the unfortunate factory. Boy, I wanna have a subject. You can't come for me. I've never seen a one good suit of closet. You can't come for me. I've never seen a one good suit of blood clot closet. Me see all of their blood clot barras. Alice me don't like to request them and I say what? Rosealee me hang up. Police member me used to look at perfect. Right through. Me I'm bringing them in the blood clot same category. Cause me now know me I walk with when I do with stooge. Bouncing ball. What I do there? Eh? Police when me Rosealee do that much as how me in a shape good. What I do with you? Number 2, you don't have no, number 1, you don't have no money. Number 2, you favor fuckery. Number 1, you don't have no money. Number 2, you favor fuckery. Number 3, you don't live nowhere. Number 4, you don't even have a blood clot ride. So what the fuck me I do with you? Eh, what me I do with you now? You don't have no money. You don't look good. You don't live nowhere, you don't have a ride. What I do with blood clot you? So say me have man. Come on, I'm gonna sick in on a what up, sir, chat? It does not go there. At this me ever say eat it Saturday, Friday, yam it. Yam it. If I make him eat curvy Sunday, me run like a jet plane. When my wife put this on it, me I said yam it. Let's make him yam it so this Sunday. Him run like a jet blood clapping. Boy, I couldn't find him pad not pussy. Police can't give me. Boy, I like police in him pad and not pussy. When you find him pad and shit. Can you not even clean your blood clot mouth? Look how much bacteria and bad coming in your blood clot mouth. Till all your, it affect all your teeth. You walk up argue with blood clot, girl. You know I pay for my dental appointment every 6 months. You know I clean my mouth that I'm talking out of. Something that I don't really know about. I go to the dentist and go at the dentist. Right about half a tree this so. And sit down and she brush and she dig and she clean. And I said to her, you see no cavity? She said, no ma'am. My next dental appointment is June 6. My last was December 6. My next appointment for this year is June 6. My last one was December 6. It's every 6 months. So, but oh, you can't argue with me and me talk about a nice clean mouth. Now you have bad mouth and bad teeth and bad bread. Bad teeth carry bad mouth. How would it build up? I bring a more strong because bad teeth carry bad breath and bad residue. When you walk and search all of the unfortunate man, them for fuck though. Me nah look. Then them a dirty boy that could have fucked me. My dental appointment is every 6 months. Because I'm big and I'm fat and I big fat so I gotta lie. My beard and powder. I shave my beard and shave my arm. Shave my pussy arm. When I take out my jaws, I smell my crutches. Any misunderstanding, I go to the doctor. I not run stinking joke, not careless joke. If my foot want scrub, I go scrub my foot. I could have there every day, I beg, stress out and the things them. Me could have there every beg. Police me in a position. Me there every blood clot there beg. Me, if my teeth are acne, my musk can come. My musk can go dry it. And back and go double my teeth. As a guy, they know so me I come from a dentist, come my mouth. What day me there? I want to pimple come up on my nipple. Man care. Bam. See doctor. Bam medication. Bam by 2 days, 3 days time I come right back to normal. The first antibiotic I take, bust the bump instantly, ask the people them. I never come here come ask a girl for your money. Cause me a rank. Me a rank. People put things on the ranking board every day. Me not supposed to come for distress people with other story. If me go do a fundraiser, I must for somebody else. Which me not think me go do because me can't take some of the people them. But police can't argue with me. Can me build my platform, yes, so. I bring a carrier. I bring a move her foot your job. Police can't argue with me. I build my platform here. Me build my platform, yes, so. Police is not more than a common gingivitis in a choke back. A common blood clot rubbish. A common dog or jaw blood clot pampers. Police is not a body. No time. Cause the girl them they like to overbling and them would have put it up in the ranking. It's a piece of shit. Police if a nyam pad and not pussy. If a nyam shit and don't lick out batty hole. If a drink piss and not squirt. You can't argue with me. Come now, make a reason. All they can say broad back and a back big, yeah. Yeah. Me come here looking broady. But me never come here stink. Like you know. We come here stink and still stink. Me never come here looking stink and still stink. Me come here with broad back. 40 back. Double door fridge. I come here looking like that and the girl them like me. The girl them like me from back then till now. Me have people who actually set them time, them alarm for me come on live, you know. Something what police not gonna know about. Something what Tiki not gonna know about. Tiki not germs. Police, you want Tiki as a set of germs. Me have people who actually set them alarm for me come live, you know. Me ask people actually a text on me. Why they am late for my match? I'm gonna text me getting on my blood clot them. Rosealee, I can't say, Rosealee, where are you? When me come on, finally where the day. Tiki. Nyampad police. Me's a VIP. Personnel. Something you're not gonna know about. Something you're not gonna know about. Tiki. Police. Something you're not gonna know about. Police, remember when I go live, I be 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Somebody they play live and 10 and 8. You never have a crowd of 100 yet. Cause you're not cute. Number 1, you're not cute. Number 2, you don't have no value. Number 4, you don't have any asset. Number 5, where the people got so long asset here say? Number 7, number blood clot say if you have a girl spirit. Police literally talk like a little girl. You sound like a batty boy. You sound like a girl. You don't have the man instruction in your blood clot vice. Police want me out you like a cigarette. Don't play with me. You damn fuck Tiki. Tiki want beard. Tiki favor all clothes government in a dryer. I want no wrinkle and dimple. I want all pussy blood clot Tiki. Tiki don't play with me. Don't ramp with me, bitch. Come in and know you. You understand? And if me beg you and you have follow my page, that's why you get beg. Tasha. He said me, Rosealee, beg you, you have followed my page, you get beg. I only ever follow me, I not follow no coming on from nowhere. Now I have a concrete and cement and line and balance and still out a big. Take your old one around to pay batty man fuck when your husband is a batty boy. For you come on internet go and Billy kind of argument with girl. Me can't they are foreign have things that asset and I come in an argument with a scabby. You don't know where. Every time you walk and look blood clot eye off a girl. You they are foreign, you so contented. You take plane when I never go in a get. And I always was in an argument with a scabby. Me not see why. You don't know body. Germs can't be a foreign to you know. Come can't be a foreign and not live no life. Come not germs. When you walk up in an argument with me for girl? Me know you from somewhere. You snipe against me, I know why you back over my life. I'm a black you. I know why you send me nothing. Ticky them pussy jar ring up. Ticky them pussy jar ring up like when the ring close, so. Crush, I be a crush type on them pussy cause them owl. How they all blood clot full of what we have to use rusty nail and blood clot cook dirty woman. We don't buy choke back. Remember dear no go for catch back on no choke back, you know. Cause all type of blood clot insect them the whole on a blood clot throat. Come residue, condom rub up, every blood clotting woman, pussy juice, shit juice, every blood clotting line on a blood clot choke back. Can uno from the long book of freakiness. Dirty blood clot ticky. Where your husband fucking your blood clot battle come out from a blood clot name. Your name fuck police. Cause you and police want put gas oil and light in a blood clot. Let me cool off my memento because some man have been doing this. But them come for me in trouble, it's a thinking blood clot woman, yeah. Don't move your blood clot from out that's about forever young. Big and careless na blood clot. You send the boy 1 wheel and 5 money blood clot gun. Right? You can't put it on the ranking board. Man, y'all look for see you. A long time the stinking one want an argument with me. From the time she come from fine for fuck police. Long time she want an argument with me because she fly. She one of them fly palm 5 to come take the termite. I no love take dirty cocky on the wall. That's why she want an argument with me. The man with them stinking ticky. Like I wouldn't want you 100 blood clot screenshot of beg me not supposed to beg. I done send it out and I done shoot it out and I told a long time. From 2000 I want to win at 2024. Me shit out that long time that wait to come near it. But unfortunately you're never around. Stinking girl. And you want to fuck blood clot police, that's why you have blood argument, dirty bitch. No gift no there for you. Cause you can't catch your iPad for me. Guys, we're gonna 2 book. When destiny them can't catch iPad for me know you can't catch none. Yeah. When destiny and candy and shebada and all who sit down and class me can't catch iPad for me. You can't get none ticket because it's a common dog shit. You don't know TikTok police. Bling a poop. You don't know bling a poop. Bling a poop. Bling a poop, man. Bling a poop. Bling a poop. Take care the fuck out one where they come. Take care the fuck out one when she come from far away. If you give him the TV, say him fuck her, cause them walk and buy fuck too, you know. So take care the fuck out one when she man a foreigner come out there with the TV for the fuck. So one TV ticky by police for a fuck. You think ticky no like ticky 8 blinger? Ticky 8 blinger no blood clot. Ticky 8 blinger. Ticky 8 blood clot blinger. Cause she come from blood clot foreign where they for come fuck blood clot police. And police I want touch out blood clot shot. I want piece of blood. I don't know when blood clot fair with one blood clot patty. And if you got trim and got beard, you stink. Dirty boy. No rampant blood clot me pan this. I don't know who are frightened on upon this blood clot. But this is what me call curvy diva she and yam pad have to eat this. Police should have to eat my pad. Uno couldn't fuck me. Uno too common. Uno too common and don't look good and don't live now. Uno couldn't fuck me. Me stop walk and pick up the unfortunate man them for fuck me sorry. You don't want an unfortunate boy to fuck me. You crazy? You must say mad. They mean could I take police? Then me could have fuck I bring her alone. Me say it's in born me. So she, but the man say police, but just skip her. Come here and say no, sir. Why this woman call this man like this boy has some blood clot body? Police don't look good. Then me I go want a man when me I carry him pan fame. Yesterday him can't find 20. They're gonna sun taps. True. Me bring a cat. Hello, I'm not going to tolerate from the class. Bring a year saying, no. This is not about bling, this is about police. So don't get the woman name involved. Sorry. Over here, it's not about blood clot. Blinger is about police. Don't get the woman name blood clot involved in the story. Okay.